Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Dash says hello. Today I thought that we would do sort of a clean with me video. So what I mean by that is, since we are all sort of stuck in quarantine, depending on where you guys are in the world, I thought that we would do cleaning some of like the messiest places in my house, the most random places, just things I want to get like checked off my to-do list. So if you guys are interested in cleaning, won't be a lot of that in today's video, so let's do it. So the first place that we are going to start is this cupboard. This is the pantry, and it's just sort of crazy. I would really like to get this under control. So here is an overview of what the pantry is currently looking like. Thought process was that we would kind of just start by emptying the shelves and then go from there. So here are a bunch of the jars and stuff that I got. I also got this little thing because I thought that we could store the spices on top so that when we put it in the shelf we can actually like see, you know, like what it is. So I'm gonna wash all of these first and then we can start putting everything inside. You guys look at my kitchen. I just wanted to show you guys like a little trick. So this is just like a water-based chalk marker. I'm going to write what it is on it. And then on the back, at the bottom, I'm going to write the best before date. So this is June 7th. And then if you also want to know the instructions of how to cook it, just in case, you know, you have something that is a little bit different. This says cooking time 12 minutes, but I'm actually going to write it on just the bottom of the jar. That way I won't forget. So here's what everything's looking like. I definitely think I could do like the top row the same that I did here because I have other stuff that I could put in these. I don't know if I'll do that though. That sucked. Okay, so next up on the to-do list, this is the downstairs bathroom. So if you were to walk into here and then close the door, there is this other door which leads to the basement. Let's open this up. I'm gonna probably have to adjust the lighting because it's pretty dark in here. The basement to this house is unfinished, so it's nothing like glamorous or anything, but there is this like little area in here where it's kind of become this like cluttered little bit of a mess. So there's actually this like little shelf thing here that you can like put stuff on. And I was thinking what would be really nice is if there were more shelves here, so maybe like either just like one shelf or maybe two shelves. That way you could like really use this as storage. Something sort of like to give this a purpose and some shelving to make it look nicer. So I thought we would declutter this, clean it all up. I thought this could also use like a nice like white paint job, just like really brighten up this space and get it like really nice for storage. So we're gonna have to declutter this. And then on this side there's just like the vacuum. There's like a lot of stuff that probably could go out as well. And I feel like this could be painted kind of nice too. So this is like the next little tackling place because this just looks like such an eyesore. First things first, let's empty this thing out. white paints that were in the basement, and because this is all going to be sort of in a spot that doesn't really matter, thinking about just mixing all of the white together and then using that paint color to paint it with. This one's a no-go. Okay, so here is what the shelf is looking like. Super nice and white. Didn't paint here because there's all these little cords and stuff. But yeah, looks really good. So we're gonna work on the shelving next, and then nice and white over there on that side as well. So I went ahead and I cut some shelving. And this is just like the old shelving from my closet. So I'm thinking that's essentially what it's gonna look like. We will do probably one more shelf up a little higher. So I'm gonna take this 2x4. Can you guys see? Yeah. Take this 2x4 and put it here. Probably about here. So I've gone ahead and put a back brace on for the shelf to sit on. And then I'm gonna put brace here and a brace over there. And I just built these like sort of braces that are gonna hold the shelving. Just use scrap wood that I had from like previous DIYs and stuff. So that's why it's not like the cutest looking, but you're not gonna see it, so it's not really gonna be a huge deal. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paint these just so that they're white and we keep that white theme sort of happening. You just scared the oh my god. So I'm just mounting the little Dyson vacuum thing on the wall. So here is what the shelving looks like. Gosh, it's so much better. Okay, so I'm going to organize all of the stuff that usually goes here, and hopefully it looks a lot better. I'm thinking about getting some little bins for here for some other little stuff, but that's super good. So just toilet paper, the iron, a cooler, and some light bulbs. And here is the other side. I just hung up the central vac, the Dyson, and I put like my little mop bucket there. Okay, so the next place I have to declutter is this. This is just this like most random PR sort of drawer thing that I have sitting in the bathroom. Like I can't even explain it. It's just like full of beauty products and stuff like that that I really need to go through and like sort, as well as decide what I'm keeping, what I'm not keeping. And then I have a lot of Lush junk up here. Like that's what we're gonna tackle next. Okay, I just set you guys up on a better angle to do this. All of these big Lush ones, these are all keepers. I have like a bunch of body conditioners. I know for a fact I love a good body conditioner for the winter. Okay, voila, that's amazing. Love this. So much easier to see what I have. I know this wasn't the biggest transformation, but this is much better in my opinion. Thank you guys so much for hanging out today. I hope today's video was somewhat entertaining for you. I love videos like these because I get so much stuff done and it's just like 2 in 1. Love it. Okay, have a good day you guys. Love you.